They have Lightning McQueen shoes. They're so fast.
Let's see your shoes.
No.
What shoes are they?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen?
Do you want milk?
And what do they do for you?
Make me run fast.
Yeah? Are you the fastest man in the world?
Casey, you want milk in your sip?
Is that me?
What? Run to that swing set and back, okay?
Yeah, but from here.
Casey, where's your sip?
I'm gonna do it. We're having a race.
Oh, I have to race you?
Where's your sippy cup, dude? Let me go get you milk.
I don't know. Yay! You are so fast.
Now look him. Faster. I can run really fast. I'm faster.
You're a fast boy, aren't you? What's your name?
Brenton.
Brenton what?
Ready, set,
Michael
go.
Oshud.
Hi, camera.
Hi, Jackson.
No.
Okay, watch out. We're looking for
Hi.
Caleb, Oh! What happened? Come here. What happened?
Now from there again, but not with you. From there again, but not from you.